I am planting a climbing royal gold rose in this spot because it gets a lot of sunlight. It has a fence that will give it support and will decorate with a bunch of roses eventually. And in a pot, so it's not going to get a lot of water from the ground as the sprinklers go by. Roses don't like wet feet, so I think in a pot is going to be much better. I am selecting plants that are very safe for my planting zone, which is 8. The Climbing Royal Gold Rose planting zone or hardiness zone is from zone 4 to zone 10. So I am pretty safe right there. And if you put too much dirt, just get some out. I was having fun editing this. Our soil is very much sand, so I'm mixing sand with potting mix for the ceramic pot. If you want to plant as well a Climbing Royal Gold Rose, make sure that you have plenty of room because it grows between 6 and 10 feet tall or long. But you can train it to just go into certain areas. Never prune it all the way down to the base because roses don't like that. Just go and trim just particular little spots. It is a fragrant rose, although some people say that the fragrance is not so strong. I hope it is, but I have not planted one of these before. And to put it in place, you need to leave it a little higher than the dirt. They don't like having their little trunk covered with dirt. And the covering of wax is going to disappear eventually. I still need to trim it. They recommend to trim it after you plant it. I added a layer of sand on top of the good dirt because I don't want the gnats or any other bug to attack the roots before it is strong enough, and they don't like the sand. Newly planted roses need water every couple of days, especially in the summer, but once they are established, you can just go once a week as needed, especially if you don't have a very hot weather. So basically, they need very good support and a little trim every spring. Roses love sunlight, but they prefer morning sunlight. Plant it in a spot where it's going to get a lot of sun, but also morning sunlight. If you live in an area that is extremely hot, then try to have the rose with an umbrella in a particularly hot day, or in a place where a shade of a tree is going to be in the afternoon for it, but still they love a lot of sunlight. They can stand temperatures in the 90s Fahrenheit. I will share an update as it grows. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new around here.